The Kerala Story movie has sparked a debate yet again. This time around, after Union government decided to telecast the film on India's national broadcaster Doordarshan tonight. Now, the Kerala government and opposition Congress have both opposed DD's decision to telecast the controversial film. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has condemned and demanded the public broadcaster to withdraw the film screening. Strongly criticizing the move, the Chief Minister stated that DD must not degrade into a puppet that dances to the communal agenda of the BJP and RSS and demanded the union government not to use the platform to belittle Kerala. Now, Vijayan also alleged that the film could fan communal tensions in the state ahead of the Lok Sabha polls. Now, let's tell you, echoing the Chief Minister's sentiments, CPIM also demanded that DD should reconsider its decision accusing the BJP of leveraging the film to polarize the secular fabric of Kerala society.
Doordarshan Kerala Story എന്ന വിദ്വേഷ സിനിമ പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിലുള്ള കടുത്ത അമർഷവും പ്രതിഷേധവും രേഖപ്പെടുത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ദൂരദർശൻ വെറുപ്പിന്റെ ഫാക്ടറിയാകരുത്. സമൂഹത്തെ ഭിന്നിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള വിദ്വേഷ പ്രചരണത്തിന്റെ കേന്ദ്രമായി ദൂരദർശൻ കേന്ദ്രം മാറരുത്. ദൂരദർശൻ ഈ തെറ്റായ നിലപാട് പിൻവലിച്ച് സിനിമ പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള തീരുമാനം നിർത്തിവെക്കണം എന്നാണ് ഡിവൈഎഫ്ഐക്ക് ആവശ്യപ്പെടാനുള്ളത്.
Now, the Congress-led opposition, UDF, has also objected to the film's upcoming telecast on Doordarshan. In a letter to the Election Commission of India, leader of opposition V.D. Satheesan urged the poll panel to step in and direct DD to withdraw its decision to air the movie. Meanwhile, citing LDF's previous assertions declaring support for freedom of expression, Union Minister V. Muralidharan questioned Kerala's ruling alliance over its opposition to DD's decision to air the Kerala Story. Now, the film, directed by Sudipto Sen, is a fictional account of a group of women from Kerala claiming to have been coerced into converting to Islam to join the Islamic State.
A movie is a piece of art, and expression of art is a right guaranteed in the Constitution. And I understand that all these years, left has been saying that the freedom of expression is paramount in democratic principles. So I don't know why they are worried about a movie that is being aired.
Jayalakshmi, my colleague, joins me for more. Jayalakshmi, we of course heard the viewpoints that both of them had, but as far as this entire controversy is concerned, any latest information in terms of a statement coming out?
You know, certainly this movie, even back when the movie was actually released, the state of Kerala saw a numerous number of protests against the release of the movie. They claim that this movie is purely a mission to spread hate, and it's a propaganda movie that is trying to divide a specific part of the community and try to spread hatred. So that is again the same stand is being taken again when yesterday when CM office had released a statement that Doordarshan is going to air this movie tonight at 8 p.m. That is what they say. And that is exactly when CM came out with a statement that they are strictly against this, and they are saying that Doordarshan should stop propagating hate for the central government and act according to the needs of central government. And in fact, that is the same statement that even the opposition in the state is also releasing. V.D. Satheesan also released the same statement. But, you know, again, the state government here, there was a huge DYFI protest. The Youth Federation for the CPIM, they led a protest to the DD office today, and they are saying that they are against, and this should be withdrawn with immediate effect. But as of now, even though we do not know if the movie will be screened today, we certainly know that the entire state is against it, and they are continuing to protest the screening of the movie.
Right, Jayalakshmi. I appreciate you getting us all those inputs as to how this is essentially being viewed. And like you rightly pointed out, this movie has been in controversy ever since it did first release. But for the moment, let's leave it at that.